Hisense continues to be a global leader in the industry, and we look forward to the successes to come in 2022.
Performance, quality, and value are the foundation of Hisense's products offerings, and ULED continues to be our solution year after year. ULED is a unique suite of technology that continues to evolve and improve over time, incorporating the latest upgrades. It enables a seamless working relationship between hardware and software to enhance the four pillars of picture quality: color, contrast, motion, and brightness. The result is a beautiful image and clear motion on the screen. In 2022, the Hisense ULED series will only continue to exceed expectations. With screen sizes ranging from 50 to 85 inches, the introduction of the Google TV platform, and for the first time in the US, mini LED options. This year's U6 series proudly keeps that spirit alive, offering a variety of features and top-notch performance under $1,000. Hisense continues to make picture upgrades like Dolby Vision IQ and keeps must-haves like Quantum Dot, HDR10, HDR10 Plus, and Filmmaker Mode. And audio enhancements like Dolby Atmos and eARC take the premium feel even further. Even gamers will be pleased to have the ultra-high-speed Hdmi, Game Mode Plus, variable refresh rate. The new Google TV platform upgrade will offer thousands of personalized options for movies, shows, sports, music, and games. We're also giving the U6 series a major smart home upgrade with the addition of hands-free voice control. Now you can use your voice to find your favorite content, control the lights with a thermostat, check the weather, or see who's at your door, all from your U6H. With the new U7H, we're keeping gate gaming features like Game Mode Pro, ultra high-speed HDMI, variable refresh rate, and auto low latency mode. But the entire family will also enjoy picture upgrades like Dolby Vision IQ and Filmmaker Mode, as well as premium audio features like Dolby Atmos, eARC, and WiSA. The 120 Hz refresh rate not only brings smooth clarity and fluid motion for fast-action gaming, it also provides exceptional detail to sports and movies. The newly integrated next-gen TV tuner brings higher quality picture and sound, more content options and upgrades, and ensures that the U7 is equipped for the future of broadcast television. Next-gen TV is the first major upgrade in broadcast television since it transitioned to digital broadcasting in 2009. With an already wide variety of screen sizes spanning from 50 to 75 inches, the U7 series will also bring a new 85-inch option. One of our most popular TVs amongst consumers and experts was the U8 series. In 2022, we're expanding the U8 series lineup to include a new 75-inch option, bringing a stunning picture to those wanting an equally impressive screen size. Along with the expanding size, the U8 series will also have a major upgrade in 2022, Mini LED. Mini LED offers significant benefits when it comes to picture brightness, contrast, and backlight control. But not all mini LEDs on the market perform the same. With so many LEDs, the key to great performance is how well they work together to ensure uniformity and the best possible picture. The Hisense proprietary ULED technologies elevate the mini LED experience, enhancing the TV's color, contrast, motion, and brightness to ensure fine-tuning frame by frame and scene by scene, down to the pixel. The U8 brings even better control, better contrast, and its trademark bright picture to screens this year for an impressive HDR experience. With 120 Hz native refresh rate, an impressive peak brightness of up to 1500 nits, and a list of picture upgrades like IMAX Enhanced, Filmmaker Mode, Dolby Vision, Dolby Vision IQ, and HDR10 Plus, the U8 series takes picture quality to a new level. Audio features like Dolby Atmos, eARC, and WiSA certification for an immersive experience, and next-gen gaming features like ultra high-speed HDMI, auto low latency mode, variable refresh rate, and our Game Mode Pro setting will quickly make it a favorite amongst gamers as well. As TV technology continues to improve, there's always going to be a group of consumers who are looking for the best of the best. To meet this demand of those discerning customers, Hisense is introducing a new flagship model, the U9H Mini LED series. Available on a 75-inch screen and also featuring Hisense ULED technologies, the U9 series delivers a stunning HDR performance with a bright picture, vivid colors, and excellent contrast. Reaching 2,000 nits peak brightness and featuring 1,280 full-array local dimming zones, the U9 offers a powerfully bright picture and dimming that's designed to bring precision to every scene. Quantum dot technology offers billions of colors, and the latest Dolby Vision HDR and Dolby Vision IQ support delivers incredible highlights, a wider range of color detail, and an overall lifelike picture with beautiful depth, detail, and realism. Adding to the picture capabilities, the U9 also features an upgraded processor that delivers a faster, smoother performance and overall responsiveness. The 120 Hz native refresh rate provides a foundation for smooth clarity and motion handling, making action movies and sports look great. Gamers will also be pleased with the inclusion of the latest next-gen features that offer a tear-free, stutter-free, and low-latency HDR gaming experience. Features like Auto Low Latency Mode, Game Mode Pro, Variable Refresh Rate, and FreeSync deliver an exceptional gaming performance. Alongside its picture and gaming performance, the U9 offers a well-rounded feature package with audio upgrades as well. A unique design with embedded speakers in both the bottom and the top of the TV offers a truly immersive experience. Dolby Atmos, eARC, and WiSA support bring even more dynamic audio options, enabling 2.1.2 channels of surround sound to create a truly immersive audio experience. The Google TV operating system brings an array of content, and far-field voice control with built-in Google Assistant and works with Alexa capabilities ensures that the U9 is a true smart home hub, making integration simple and seamless. With its brightness, contrast, gaming, and audio features built for the future of TV, the U9H brings the best of the best in every category. We invite you to see our full U.S. product lineup for yourself this week, whether in person or virtually.